Let's go ahead and pick out a few boards for this project.
I made this video in the fall when redoing the deck. These boards were too eaten up on the end to reuse, so I cleaned them for another project. I just wanted to show this product today in case someone was cleaning their deck.
Here's the product that we're using today, guys. Valspar fast acting deck cleaner. Says to lightly mist the surface first, then apply the deck cleaner. If needed, to scrub it, which I'm going to go ahead and do. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Oh, bird. Don't come down here, bird.
These boards turned out really nice for this other project. I do appreciate you guys watching. God bless you. Have a good day.